we are going offline Delhi. It's that time of the year. We are starting the offline events again. Yeah. So Delhi guys, how many of you from Delhi here or nearby? Yeah. I would love to meet you guys in person, understand your child's specific challenges, spend time with you people, 2 days live, high electric event, lots of questions and answers, discussion strategies, success stories, the changing face of autism on planet Earth, not just India, the changing face of autism. Yeah? Please come in. Yeah. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to start the live today, and I have not invited anybody today, any of my students, because like I do, I sometimes invite students and sometimes I only want to take your questions and answers, right? So let us get started. I'm going to take your questions and answers. Yeah. Okay. Somebody's written I'm from Goa. Somebody's written I'm from US. Everybody's welcome. Jaipur. Okay. All good. Thanks. Shubh Deepavali ji aapko bhi. Ji aapko bhi. Okay. You can shoot your questions, people. Any questions that you have. In fact, today I want you guys to ask me more generic questions. Yeah, not like ये behavior का क्या करेंगे, क्या करे वो क्या करे. Before you guys ask me a question, I want to ask all of you a question. पूछ लो? Huh? Should I ask? Answer in the chat. Who do you think you are? Not like that bully kind of a thing. Who do you think you are? No, not like that. Not in that sense. Who do you think you are? Parent of a kid who's unfortunate, who has a condition that you go down with the kid, there's nothing much. Handicapped child parent? Ouch. Who do you think you are? Yeah, and be honest with me, because this I'm talking from the point of healing. I am not judging anybody, not looking down on anybody. Who do you think you are? Yeah, I want to start with that question. Who do you think you are? Or parent of a kid, or parent of two kids, one of them neurotypical, the other one neurodiverse. Yeah, or parent of a child with huge challenges. Write down in the chat, who do you think you are? What is the thought? What is the underlying thought when it comes to parenting and when it comes to your kid? Is what I want to understand from you. Yeah? No, don't give me 100. Tell me what do you think. Yeah? These guys also this side. I can't see comments. Why I cannot see comments on YouTube? I must have done something wrong again. Anyway. How do I get to see comments on YouTube? Because I'm not able to see comments on YouTube. I don't know. Yeah. I'm a parent of a kid who really needs me. And I cannot imagine him without me. Now look at that. How powerful is this? Priya Pandey. I am a parent of a kid who really needs me. And I cannot imagine him without me. In other words, who is a child who cannot be without a parent? Let's probe. Huh? Say it for yourself. Who do you think you are? The primary caregiver to a lifelong handicapped person. I'm sorry. I don't mean to say this, but your words are saying this. What do you need to do? Priya, what do you need to do? For Christ's sake, for your child's sake, what do you need to do? You need to change this narrative. Okay? Now, I'm not here with some law of attraction woo-hoo. I'm here with some basic mindset shift. Because if the deep underlying thought stays this, then the amount of effort that's going to go in is going to be directed more towards taking care of that kid. Because you cannot imagine what happens if you don't take care. Yeah? Vis-a-vis creating a life that is super independent. I am just back from saying bye-bye to my son at the airport. He's gone back already. And It was never like this, that he was always through and through mainstream, teachers saying, oh, your child can do everything. No, we've had the worst of cases, worst of situations. It was like, सीखेगा तू कि नहीं सीखेगा? But then, I'm a parent of a kid where I do have some challenges, and that's okay. But you have challenges with neurotypicals also. You have challenges with their thought process and mindset. They're too much like, ethically, morally, you have to put them in place. I'm parent of a child who is very docile, who learns fast, has challenges, but whatever I teach him, he learns fast. Now, when the mindset shifts from here, see what happens? Your inside is telling you he learns fast, he learns fast, he learns fast. So, you will say, let me teach this also. Let me teach this also. Let me teach this also. Over a period of time, what happens? The child has learned so much that now that thought process, I cannot imagine him without me, is washed out. Because now he's handling everything without you. Right? So the big question, who do you think you are? Each one of you, before you get into, tell me how to cut down behaviors, tell me how to get them to sit at a place, tell me, who do you think you are? And let's work on changing that. Okay? The child who will never be able to communicate the fear of being judged, but does have that thought, then what is that thought? My child will never be independent linguistically, right? Which means I'll always have to be by his support or her support. Yeah? You don't have a certificate saying you will live for the next 1100 years. No. You will go before the kid. Correct? You can't afford that mindset. Because then you will not take those chances and those risks where you are teaching the child, okay, let me teach this, let me teach that. See, I will give you strategies for teaching even the most tertiary level critical thinking skills. Like today, what happened? We gave him a heater. He stays in Delhi. That gets cold. So while he was carrying it, Indigo people say, put it in fast track. So he said, okay, how much? I'll put it in fast track. So they're saying it'll cost you 600. And then they're saying, okay, it'll cost another 500 for the packaging. 1100 rupees for a 1800 rupee heater. What nonsense. You can't imagine talking all of this to a kid on the spectrum. At every level, on every day-to-day basis, every day. Who do you think I am? Mother of an independently living, working individual. I don't even need to mention neurotypical or diverse. Yeah? Staying separately after having completed his graduation in another city. Managing life by himself. Learning from his mistakes. That's who I think I am. And that's what it is showing up. Correct? Right or wrong, people? So the first thing you need to do is crack the mindset game. After that, so if you can shift your mindset from who do you think I am from, like, and every day ask yourself. See, while I talk to you, Jay's message has come, landed in Delhi. I just received, and it says, dear customer, so and so number is ready to take calls. Yeah? I am parent of a young adult, 22-year-old, who's completed his graduation, his education, has found a job and stays in another city and has just gone back after Diwali vacation to rejoin office tomorrow. That's who I am. But it didn't start like this, right? It started like mother of an autistic boy, correct? So every day you're going to ask yourself, and he's calling me, I will please take this call. Sorry, take this. Yeah, he was telling me I have reached. So who do you think you are? I am parent of a kid, not kid, adult, who's responsible enough to reach and then give a call to his mother to say, well, I've reached. That's how every person does. I don't have to mention whether that's neurotypical or diverse. Because all my life I've lived by this, neurotypical and diverse is the same. And this is the same Jay who would roll on the floors, who would be on the stairs. Yeah? How does this work? Continuous work. Yeah? I can teach you strategy. But what I cannot teach you is ऐसे behavior correct करो, ऐसे hyperactivity कम करो, ऐसे language बढ़ाओ, ऐसे दोस्त बनाओ. आप उसको हाथ ही नहीं लगाओगे. You will not touch it. Because deep down the thought is, who do you think I am? Mother of a disabled child who cannot learn. So my inside will not put in the effort. How many of you resonated with what I said? Snehal Mistry says, how to stop fantasy questions like Vicky Kaushal not coming to our home. That's not fantasy. Snehal Mistry, wow, I'm so glad you asked that question. That is critical thinking, logical reasoning skills. Yeah? That is a super question. Now hear me out. This is just telling me your child's brain is thinking at a super level. It's not fantasy. It's fantasy for you, not for him. He likes Vicky Kaushal. He sees Vicky Kaushal. He knows Vicky Kaushal. What he doesn't know is, when Vicky Kaushal is on the screen, he is a public figure. Vicky Kaushal does not know Snehal Mistry's son. Yeah? Let's call him Jay. Like whatever your child's name, I don't know. But my child's name Jay, so to me the whole world Jay. Yeah, so let's call him Jay. So Jay knows Vicky Kaushal, but Vicky Kaushal doesn't know Jay. And Jay doesn't know. This is critical thinking, not fantasy. Got it? Jay doesn't know that Vicky Kaushal doesn't know him. So what is there as an opportunity for his mother in here? The opportunity is, listen Jay. We go to see Vicky Kaushal on the big screen. Lots of people see him. Yeah. So you are seeing him here. Somebody seeing him in Gujarat. Somebody seeing him. Can he know so many people? He cannot know so many people. Yeah. Let's count how many people. Say only so much, no? Do you know like 1 lakh people? 2 lakh, 5 lakh people? No. Nobody can know so many people. Yeah? So what are you doing? It's not fantasy. It's critical thinking and skill development. The big problem is we will not look at it from there because who do you think I am? I am the parent of a kid who has a skewed thinking, who's not on planet Earth, who's thinking something wild because of autism. Stop that is what I'm saying. That's why I started with, who do you think you are? That's a question you have to ask yourself every day. 200 plus and growing product range. I think it's way more than 200 now. 250 it would be. Exact calculation I'll get from office. Products and growing. Programs. 2000 plus YouTube videos. Where is it coming from? Who do you think I am? I am someone who identifies the potential of a kid on the spectrum and is bringing it out to people. Listen, your kid will do this. Listen, your kid will do this. Listen, your kid can do this. Try it like this. The big question, who do you think you are? Now, how many of you are from Delhi or nearby or passionate enough to learn and will travel to Delhi no matter what? I'm going to be there 8th and 9th of November. We are going to crack a lot of myths. Needless to say, I'm going to do a lot of training also on color coding. See, once I'm clear on who do you think I am, yeah, who do I think I am, then तो मैं रेल बना दूंगी ना. I will just go ठगड़ ये सिखाओ mental math सिखाओ, वो सिखाओ, ये सिखाओ, ऐसे सिखाओ, वैसे सिखाओ, experiment करो, ढूंढो, निकालो. Right? So we will not only tell you the strategies, कौन सी चीज कैसे सिखानी है. I'm also going to help you to align your mindset so that it becomes the good. But I don't remember the number offhand, and if I punch it in, it's gonna be difficult. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say the numbers I remember, and you can inquire over there, and from there you can get the numbers. Or should I take out the number? Here we go. I'm adding it to the comments. Okay. Paste. Now this is Amruta. Okay. 82082. 82082 Yeah, there's Amruta. She's written, I'm from Rajni's office. Yeah. So things will take care of themselves on their own, because you will have the motivation to do them. So if my big why is I am attending Rajni's program so that I can find some peace, some solace with my handicapped child who otherwise will make my life very difficult, then your big why is incorrect. I am someone who wants to see how this puzzle, this maze called autism, my kid, who sometimes I feel is big why, who do you think I am? Who do I think I am has changed, right? Yeah? Okay, please come to Hyderabad, Nazu Azim. For sure, I am starting now and I will be traveling to different places. Yeah? And I'll take a name. Value count does not take 1 month. There's something seriously not aligned. So if you can write a little more why you are not getting results, I can give you exactly pinpointedly where you're making a mistake. At the most, it'll take you 14 days. 1 month nahi lagta hai. Okay? But there's something seriously not in place. Now let's see what it could be. Number one, structuring could be an issue. Are you putting everything in boxes? Okay? Are you doing it multi-sensorily, like with so many things? Okay? Not just being stuck onto the table. Are you making the child do a full body also? Okay? Literally like, if they're not scared of the sounds, if they're scared, then this is useless. Then I give you another strategy. But if they're not scared of the sound, then you take a pin and you say, we burst 4 balloons. 4. If they're not scared. If they're scared, then this is nonsense. Don't try. Okay. Now, you could put paint on the hand and say, we make 4 handprints. Okay. Put lots of paint like this and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 handprints. And then you can give him sutli. So say, okay, we need to cut sutli. Sutli is that thread, okay? So cut 4 sutli for making 4 balloons of handprints. Okay? So now you give a itna length and you say cut. So you say now, okay, and you put Fevicol. You say how many places we put Fevicol? 4 places. So, okay, like this, like this, like this. So then you fix it like that and then you say make 4 circles to make a balloon with a handprint inside. Yeah, so you are engaging the child. This is just one strategy of the hundreds, actually thousands of strategies that you can get. Okay, this is just one. It may absolutely not work with you depending upon if your child is not a Montessori learner. So the first thing you need to figure out is your kid a Montessori chammach? And you will say, we will tap 4 times. I didn't find anything else on my table. What I found, I started. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, mama's turn. Now your turn. Come on, do it. Stop. 4. And you put a big flash card. 4. If your child is a visual learner, then you put paint here like I did hand paint also. So we make chidiya with thumb paint. 1, 2, 3, 4. We take clay. Poke it with your finger 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't do 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 9, 7. It will bomb. Go 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. One day you will say, give me 4 spoons. He will look at you. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the day you know it's sorted. Then you go to number 5. So do it like that. Okay? I hope this helped. Yeah? I will meet you with my son, please. For sure. Come to Delhi then. And I would love to, we cannot have so many children because it's going to be very high energy. But the initial few, I can invite because I will show you practically also on this stage how mental math works. Guys, बाकी मुझे पता नहीं. ये आपका हाई फंक्शनिंग लो फंक्शनिंग वाला जो ड्रामा है ना, अब इसको बंद करने का टाइम आ गया मदर अर्थ पे. इट इज समथिंग लाइक इसको तो स्टेज 1 कैंसर है तो ये नहीं मरेगा, इसको स्टेज 4 कैंसर है तो ये मरेगा. ये ऐसी वाली ना वाहियात वाली बात है कि ये तो लो फंक्शनिंग है तो ये नहीं करेगा और ये तो हाई फंक्शनिंग है तो ये तो करेगा. Please, it's time to give up on that. We need to improve our skills so much that a child who's categorically called as low functioning is basically a kid whose specific learning style we are not able to figure out. Yeah, or combination of learning styles. We are not able to get their focus and attention very easily, which we are able to get with another kid. Okay, so we need to probe a little further. Are you getting me? That's what we need to do. And a so-called kid who's low functioning might take 6 months if there is an associated condition of mental retardation also. He might take 6 months for learning the skill, which another one will take 1 month. तो क्या बात है, आप एक्स्ट्रा टाइम नहीं दे सकते. किसी का बच्चा 20 साल में इंडिपेंडेंट होगा, तेरा बच्चा 30 में हो जाएगा, तो कौन सा पहाड़ टूट जाएगा भाई? भगवान 10 साल और नहीं दे देगा तेरे को. हाँ, या Who do you think you are? Who do I think I am? इस पे काम करो बॉस. Who do I think I am? Day and night इस पे काम करो. और शर्मिंदा ऐसे सोचो यार, हम ह्यूमन है, थॉट प्रोसेसेस को चैलेंज करने की जरूरत है. Who do you think I am? लैंग्वेज रजनी. या who do you think I am? है ना. मेरे 2 बच्चे, दोनों ने मैसेज दिया कल, हैप्पी दिवाली. ऑलमोस्ट एक के बराबर एक कद हो रहा है, छोटा वाला भी बड़ा हो गया है ना. और एक बोल रहा है कि आपको शुभकामनाएं, दूसरा कह रहा है मिठाई खाओ, दिए जलाओ, एंजॉय करो, हैप्पी दिवाली. दोनों साथ में बोल रहे हैं. क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है कौन सा न्यूरोटिपिकल है और कौन सा डाइवर्स है? कौन मुझे लाके सर्टिफिकेट देगा? और किसके सर्टिफिकेट की मैं ब्लडी हेल्थ परवाह करने वाली हूँ? वो चला गया काम पे अपने वापस, दिवाली एंजॉय करके, खूब खर्चा करा के, जूते भी लूंगा, कपड़े भी लूंगा, नया मोबाइल भी लेके दो, ये भी करो, वो भी करो. हाँ, जैसे सारे बच्चे होते हैं. वर्क ऑन योर बिग वाई, है ना. एंड इफ यू वांट अ परमानेंट crazy and insane as ever, and I promise you I will corrupt you with my craziness and insanity, and you will go back home. Who do you think I am? I am Princess Xena, the warrior. Yeah, I'm gonna achieve it with my kid, right? Okay, self talk पे प्लीज कुछ शेयर कीजिए. Okay, Mohit PLU12. Self talk is an opportunity for you to build it with your kid. Number 1, is your child anxious? The minute they're anxious, they start talking loudly to pacify themselves. So understand, if your kid is anxious about something, they will self talk. Look at the antecedent behavior consequence. ये क्यों anxious है? मैंने करके पड़ गए क्या, टूट के? हाँ, क्या किया मैंने? ऐसे क्यों करते हो, वैसे क्यों करते हो, हमेशा ऐसे करते हो? ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ. अगर ऐसा हुआ है तो हेलो हेलो, होल्ड इट, पीछे आओ, ब्रीथ करो, टेक इट इजी विद द किड्स. तो एंजाइटी नहीं होना चाहिए, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, अगर कोई एंजाइटी नहीं है, यू आर अ ड्रीम ऑफ अ पेरेंट, एवरीथिंग सुपर गुड, एंड ही इज कंटिन्यूअसली सेल्फ टॉकिंग, he needs more expression or she needs more expression, which means आपका pyramid, what, who, where, when, why, how much is it in place? You need to figure that out. Now this is scientific dealing of autism. This is doing justice to the condition. Okay, ये disability हटा. Now you will see what आता है, who आता है, where आता है, when आता है, why आता है, क्या नहीं आता है, 3D में आता है, 2D में आता है, कहाँ से नहीं आता है, वहां से you will start building it. फिर वो जो एक चीज बोल रहा होगा ना, रिपीटेडली बोल रहा होगा, बिकॉज अगर व्हाट, हु, वेयर, व्हेन, व्हाई, हाउ बिल्ड नहीं करोगे तो आगे नहीं ले जा पाओगे. सपोज योर चाइल्ड इज डूइंग पेपा पिग, ऐसे कुछ बोल रहा है. हाय, आई एम पेपा पिग, आई एम जॉर्जी पिग, आई लाइक टू जंप इन द पुddle. अब उसको व्हाट, हु, वेयर, व्हेन, व्हाई, हाउ सिखाया होगा ना अपने पिरामिड. अब आप क्या करोगे? अब आप उसको बोलोगे हु लाइक्स टू जंप, पेपा और ग्रैंडपा पिग, हु लाइक्स टू जंप इन द पुddle. अब उसको क्वेश्चन समझ आएगा अगर कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के हिसाब से, क्योंकि आपने हु किया है, तो बोलेगा पेपा. बोलो, से दैट इन अ फुल सेंटेंस. पेपा लाइक्स टू जंप इन puddle. यस, योर टर्न. आपने क्या किया? फुल सेंटेंस बोलने के लिए बोला, तो आपने एक्टिव वर्किंग मेमोरी, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, फोकस के ऊपर काम कर दिया. लाइफ इज दैट सिंपल. ऐसे ऐसे खेलोगे आप ऑटिज्म के साथ, अगर सीख जाओगे और मेंटल प्रोसेसेस सही होंगे. हर रोज रात को अपने आप को सोने के पहले पूछना, who do you think I am? Who do I think I am? And start working on changing that thought. और बेस थॉट क्या रखोगे? जो कोई भी कर सकता है, मेरा बच्चा कर सकता है. ये मेरे को सीखना नहीं पड़ा, ऑनेस्टली. इसमें मेरी कोई बहादुरी नहीं है, और ये सीखना सबसे मुश्किल है. तो ये मुझे गॉड ने गिफ्ट देके भेजा है. ये मुझे महादेव ने गिफ्ट देके भेजा है, ये सबसे मुश्किल है। तो ये मेरा बड़ा टेस्ट उन्होंने पास कर दिया। जिस दिन ऑटिज्म पता चला था ना, उस दिन जिद में आके मैंने बोला जो कोई कर सकता मेरा बच्चा कर सकता है, खबरदार मुंह तोड़ दूंगी अगर उसे कुछ भी बोला डिसेबल विसेबल, रख तेरे पास। सो माई बिग वाई वॉज वेरी क्लियर। क्यों था मुझे पता नहीं, दैट वॉज गॉड्स गिफ्ट एंड आई एम ऑलवेज इन ग्रैटिट्यूड कि मेरे को अच्छा थॉट प्रोसेस दे के भेजे हो आप। बट अगर आपका पास वो वाला थॉट प्रोसेस नहीं है तो वो हार्डवर्क सबसे ज्यादा इस पे लगेगा। स्ट्रैटेजी तो मैं सिखाई दूंगी, है ना, तो पहले इस पे काम करो। और हम 8th एंड 9th में जो प्रोग्राम है ना, उस पे एक मेजर मैं एम्फेसिस माइंडसेट पे रखूंगी ताकि हम इस चीज को पॉजिटिव में स्टीयर कर सके। ठीक है, जब बच्चा सेल्फ टॉक करने लगे, स्टीयर द चाइल्ड इनटू अदर डायरेक्शंस, आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस, एडिंग लैंग्वेज, गिविंग सेंटेंसेस। Alright, okay, we are at 7:30. I need to end this live, and I'm so happy to connect with people even on festivities. Always remember, twice a day, brush your teeth, and oh, that's from the dentist, not me. And never forget to ask yourself the question, अबे तू है कौन? Who do you think you are? What is your identity? Correct that, other things will follow. Bye bye. Have a great celebration. See you 8th and 9th, Delhi. And I'm trying that I told Jay that if possible, but जबरदस्ती मत करना, नौकरी है भैया, गड़बड़ी ना करना कोई. But if you can request them, if he can be given a छुट्टी on 9th, which is a Sunday, because इनका शिफ्ट में चलता है, कभी वेडनेसडे छुट्टी, कभी मंडे, whatever. So if he can be given a छुट्टी on 9th, then I'll get him also to meet up with parents. Yeah. Bye.